She slept with plastic wrap and bandages on her stomach. What happened in the morning is a miracle. What if we tell you that we know the most effective method for removing stretch marks off your body? This method is especially effective against stretch marks after pregnancy. Well, yes, and to be honest with you, it's very easy and simple. All you need is a plastic wrap and some seaweed lotion. This home method against stretch marks was presented by Colleen, who has 3 kids. She wanted to get back in shape after the 3 pregnancies which left stretch marks on her body. She mentioned that her friends convinced her to try this method, the plastic wrap weight loss method. So she thought about it and decided to give it a try. It's because she felt that her body, especially the stomach area, was no longer attractive and flat like before she had her kids, so she accepted all solutions. Colleen went to the local health store and bought some seaweed lotion and bandages and got some plastic wrap as well. Here's what she did. Every night before she went to bed, she applied the seaweed lotion on her stomach. Then she wrapped her stomach with plastic wrap, but not too tight. It's because you need to sleep with it and remove it in the morning. And at the end, she wrapped it all up with a bandage in order to keep everything in place. When she got up in the morning, she was shocked. She took the bandages and the wrap off and she measured her waist. She lost 2.5 inches in just one night. She said that it was absolutely unbelievable. This seaweed method is very useful in removing all the excess water which you have in your body, through cause of the lotion and the plastic wrap. She also mentions that you should exercise and eat healthy food as well. And yes, don't forget to drink a lot of water. We really hope you find this video helpful, and don't forget to share with your friends and family. Thank you.